Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? So now we did the education. Now I'm gonna talk about media and marketing. And it is very simple and very similar to the education. So we'll cover like three topics for today, which is like create catchy captions. Number one, to have a bespoke caption. So instead of me creating the caption, I will ask ChatGPT or other large language model to ask me enough a question in order for them to understand what I do. And the third one, if I have the caption that was created, I would ask them again what would be the feedback or reaction from the my audience or my viewers on this caption, because in marketing it's always important to be one step ahead, and to be one step ahead you can win over in gaining the customer trust and customer experience. So let's start by having our first thing, creating catchy comments. It's very simple. What I would do, I would go and create the prompt for that. So what is the prompt? Again, the prompt will be based on four things. The role, I'm saying you are a marketing expert, and then the task, I need to create caption for topics that I will give you. So this is the task. Number three is the requirement. Please keep generating catchy captions with trendy hashtags. The instructions, doing that until I say stop. So these are the four things. And now we see that the response is like, of course. So what did I say? I say I have homemade organic mango honey. So this is like a picture of the mango honey that I have, and I need to create a caption for that. So let's create a caption that we ask ChatGPT to have a catchy and with hashtags, and this is what we get. Indulge in nature's sweetness with our homemade organic mango honey. Experience the essence of pure goodness in every spoonful. And we got the hashtags for that. And we got up to like 5, 10. So next, if I have another picture, so if you are like a media production, in the media production, keep this tab open on the side. So I put like trendy swimming suit. So we went from honey to trendy swimming suit, and then we got like dive into summer with confidence and style, discover the hottest trends in swimwear to rock the beach like a true fashion icon. So this is like the swimming suit. Then if I have a car for sale, I put like Bentley GT 2013, done 90,000, and the details on the car. Then it created for me also the captions, and I can keep on doing that as much as I want. So next one, I did not like it that much, so I want like bespoke one. So the bespoke is like to have it customized according to my needs. And let me see what I did. What I did was to create, you are a marketing expert, so this is the persona. I need to create a caption for topics that will give you next. I'm saying now, ask me enough questions on every topic that I write to collect enough information to have a caption that address my target customers. So ChatGPT now will be like, will dig a little bit deeper into my understanding. So always we wanted to reflect our way of thinking and not what databases they have. So I'm saying, ask me enough questions about my customers and my target, enough for you to create a good, catchy, trendy comments caption with the hashtags that you like. So now I put you know that I have education advisory services for students graduating from high school. So I'm creating this business now, and I want to have some hashtags and nice caption for it. So now, instead of giving me the caption, see what they do. Like, what makes your education advisory unique? So it started asking me questions about my service. Do you offer personal guidance, scholarship, career counseling? Who is your target audience? Are you focusing on specific major, interests, or type of universities? What emotions do you want to evoke in your audience? So now I answered, yeah, prefer student rate at British universities. We do have career counseling, but no scholarship yet. We want to target graduating students from UAE or KSA for specific majors interest. I have the main interest is aviation, business, or any other major with my partner universities. What emotions? So emotions are important. I didn't know that before. So excelling in education, bright career path, confidence, excitement. Assurance they get the best cost efficient quality education. So I answered everything. And when I answered everything, it gave me the caption. See, it is the caption very unique to my company, which is Expert House, and then it put the hashtags and the selling points, our unique advantage, preferred rates at prestigious British universities. So you see now, it is instead of giving me a general caption and general description, it is giving me something specific to me and my customers and my niche market. So for you, you can keep this tag open, and then instead of doing another one and recreating a new tab and losing track, so once you have your prompt ready, then I did online tutoring, because like I also have this online tutoring. Then it asked me what subjects: IELTS, math, age group, all age group. What is the message? And here is the caption that I got after I answered everything. It's really catchy and I like it. Unlocking minds, ignite potential, ready to conquer math, science, IELTS, and more. Online tutoring courses covers all age group. And then no question, just seamless algorithm that aligns with unique logic. Our mission, unleash your full potential and unveil the genius within. Because no one is a loser, they simply haven't discovered their strength yet. And now I have the famous symbol. So what I said, please keep doing the same without the rainbow. So now let's uncover. So see now, it removed the rainbow, and let's uncover your ability and enrich your academic journey together. Enroll now. So now I got something bespoke and really answers my concerns, and it is exactly what I want. By having us asking for the caption and telling ChatGPT, ask me enough questions in order to understand what do I need and what customers I need to address to create the caption properly and according to my needs. So this is number 2. I hope you like it. And so now I will give you something even more interesting. Now I will give you a caption. Let me know what would this caption trigger in the audience. Let me know if I need to make my measurement to be ready to answer their queries. So what I'm trying to do here is to be a little bit one step ahead of others. And when I write a caption, I need to analyze. It might look nice to me, but I need to analyze how people will perceive it and what measures do I need to take in order to be ready for customers' response. So what I did, I created this query or this prompt, and please keep doing that. This is the additional instruction that I mentioned before, until I say stop. So now I pasted my caption, and let's analyze it. So what is the analysis? Like, this caption is likely to trigger feelings of motivation, inspiration, and curiosity among the audience. So you see, what are we trying to get? We got what is the effect of this caption on my audience. It presents the idea of unlocking one's potential, personalized online tutoring. What does it have? Motivation, curiosity, personalization, empowerment, community and support, and positive brand perception. To be ready, we need to have answers to the following concerns. Tutoring programs. So I need to be ready in terms like how the tutoring programs will be done, details about subject, age group, specific courses, personalization, how exactly the personalized learning approach works. Because right now I see lots of companies saying like we have AI in doing our business. So how you are going to do that? They think that if they use a catchy word without having the proper installation or readiness, they can get away with it. Tutor qualifications, learning platform, the technology and tools used for online tutoring, including the features that enhance the learning experience. Success stories, enrollment process. Before you can click on edit and edit the tab, so every time you come back to it, you are ready. Thank you very much. Again, keep liking, commenting, and let's stay tuned for more. And if you want more topics on media, let's dive and learn together and get me some new hints and tips, and I'll create a series for that. And I can create a new episode for your topics of choice. Thank you. Love that you're interacting. See you.